Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Tahir. In last lecture, we already discussed about electrochemical cell and electrode potential. Electrode potential means oxidation potential and reduction potential. And one more topic was there, standard electrode potential. Here we are discuss about Nernst equation. Nernst equation. Nernst equation is most important equation for your board examination. So first of all, we talking about Nernst equation. So Nernst equation is the relation. Nernst equation electrode potential is depends on concentration of solution and temperature. Already discussed about it. Electrode potential depends on concentration of solution and temperature. And here, from the Nernst equation, we can see the relation between the electrode potential, concentration of solution, and temperature. So the quantitative relationship between the electrode potential, concentration of solution, and temperature is called Nernst equation. I am repeating again definition. It is the quantitative relationship between the electrode potential, concentration of the solution, and temperature is called Nernst equation. From a reaction, we can apply Nernst equation. Equation is Mn positive aqueous solution, gaining of an electron, convert into M solid. Is this clear? Apply Nernst equation. So Nernst equation is E cell equals to E naught cell minus RT over NF ln concentration of product over concentration of reactant. So we can apply this equation. E cell equals to E naught cell minus RT over NF ln concentration of product over concentration of reactant. Now we apply this equation in this relation. So E cell equals to E Mn positive reduction potential of Mn to M equals to E naught reduction potential Mn positive oblique M minus RT over NF ln concentration of product is M solid form with concentration sign and M N positive with aqueous form concentration. So here M N positive M E naught minus RT over NF ln M solid and Mn aqueous. The concentration of solid is taken as unity. We already discussed about it. The concentration of solid is taken as unity. Then equation is E Mn positive M equals to E naught Mn positive M minus RT over NF ln 1 over Mn positive. So ln is the modified form of log. If we are taking the value of log, then we multiply Mn positive M equals to E naught Mn positive M. We multiply, if we are change this value, means ln convert into log, then we multiply 2.303 RT over NF log 1 over Mn positive. First equation is this for this relation. So Mn positive plus Ne convert to M, then equation becomes this. Second equation, at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. If the all condition apply at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin, then equation becomes E Mn positive slash M equals to E naught Mn positive M minus 2.303. R is gas constant, value is 8.314 and T is 298 over N. Value N, F is Faraday number, value is 96500. Let's see here. E is electrode potential. Yeah, reduction potential of electrode. E is standard electrode potential. 2.303 is value. R is gas constant. Value is 8.314. R is gas constant, and value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. And T is temperature in Kelvin. N is number of electron gain or accept. N is number of electron gain or lose. And the last word is F. F is number of Faraday of Faraday, and the value is 96500 Coulomb. So the putting the all values here. So 9.8 on the log 1 over Mn positive. Equation E naught equals to Mn positive M. Then we calculate all values. Then we find out 0.0591 over N log 1 over Mn positive is the modified equation. So E Mn positive M. So we find this equation, and this equation is called Nernst equation. Okay, now the next equation from the last equation, E cell equals to E naught cell minus RT over NF ln concentration of product over concentration of reactant is first equation. It is a note point, or E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over NF log product concentration over concentration of reactant. And see the all terms. E is electrode potential, E naught is standard electrode potential, R is gas constant, and the value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. T is temperature in Kelvin, N is number of electron lose or gain in any reaction, and F is Faraday number, Faraday constant, and the value is 96500 Coulomb. T is concentration of product, R is concentration of reactant, and at 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius, the reaction becomes E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 over N log concentration of product over concentration of reactant. Now we apply this equation on the reaction. So first reaction is Zn solid plus Cu2 positive aqueous gives Zn2 positive aqueous or plus Cu solid. So we apply Nernst equation. Nernst equation. See, E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over N. The value of N is charge. Charge means gaining or losing of electron. So here in both cases, the gaining or losing electrons are 2. Then the value of N is 2 and F is this. Log base 10, concentration of product is Zn2 positive aqueous Cu solid concentration over Zn solid and Cu2 positive aqueous. We know that the concentration of solid is taken as unity, then the copper solid is equal to 1 and Zn solid is equal to 1. Then equation becomes E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over 2F log Zn2 positive concentration or Cu2 positive concentration, or at 25 degrees Celsius the equation becomes at 25 degrees Celsius or in Kelvin 298 Kelvin. The equation becomes E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 over 2, because this value becomes equal to 0.000591 log base 10 or concentration of Zn2 positive over concentration of copper 2 positive. And now we will apply Nernst equation on second example. So second example is Cu solid plus 2Ag positive is aqueous form gives Cu2 positive aqueous or plus 2Ag solid. Nernst equation apply, Ag solid. Nernst equation is E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over NF. The value of NF is plus 2. So 2F log concentration of product means Cu2 positive, aqueous and Ag solid square over reactant Cu solid and Ag plus square. So Ag solid form here, value is 1 and copper is also taken as 1. Then E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over 2F log concentration of product means Cu2 positive over Ag positive square at 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius. The equation becomes E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 over 2, because this all values equal to 0.0591 log Cu2 positive concentration over Ag positive concentration square. And second equation is this E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.591 to log Cu2 positive Ag positive square. Next, if we apply general equation, so for a general chemical equation we apply Nernst equation. Equation is Ka plus Bb gives Cc plus Dd. From Nernst equation, E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT over NF log product is concentration C to the power C and D to the power D over A to the power A and B to the power B. At 298 Kelvin, the equation becomes E cell equals to E naught cell minus, and this value equal to 0.0591 over N log concentration of C to the power C, D to the power D and A to the power A, B to the power B. Then equation becomes this for a general equation. Now in next heading, prediction and feasibility of the reaction, means when the reaction becomes spontaneous or feasibility. So the condition is when the value of delta G is free capture energy, is negative value, then equation will be feasible or spontaneous. Then we can see the relation of E cell for delta G. So we know that delta G equals to minus N F E cell, means if we are taking the value of delta G is negative, then negative cancel out and the value of E cell becomes positive. Overall, there are two conditions for the feasibility: when delta G becomes negative and E cell becomes positive. So when E cell becomes positive and that delta G becomes negative, then equation becomes spontaneous or fissibility. So when reaction takes place when delta E cell equals to positive and delta G equals to negative value. Okay, now next setting, calculation of equilibrium constant and standard Gibbs free energy. Delta G naught is standard Gibbs free energy. From the Nernst equation, we know that E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 over n log concentration of product over concentration of reactant. At equilibrium, E cell is equal to 0 and concentration of product over concentration of reactant is equal to equilibrium constant Kc. Then we replace this value. So E cell equals to 0 equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 over n log Kc. So E cell equals to E naught cell equals to this value becomes positive and the value is 0.0591 over n log Kc. And the value of Kc? The value of Kc means log Kc equals to n E naught cell over 0.0591. So log Kc equals to n E naught cell 0.0591, or from the equation E cell equals to E naught cell minus 2.303, from the equation from Gibbs free energy equation, delta G equals to delta G naught minus 2.303 RT over log concentration of product over concentration of reactant. Same at equilibrium, the value of delta G becomes 0 and P over R is equal to Kc. Then putting all values, 0 equals to delta G naught minus 2.303 RT log Kc, and delta G naught equals to 2.303 RT log Kc. Or here we can calculate the value of log Kc. Log Kc equals to delta G naught over 2.303 RT. And we know that delta G naught equals to minus n E naught cell F. Then log Kc equals to delta G is minus n E naught cell F. Okay, now we know that delta G naught equals to minus n E naught cell F. And the equation is log Kc equals to delta G naught upon 2.303 RT. Then we are putting the value of delta G naught in this equation. Then log Kc equals to minus delta G naught equals to minus n E naught cell F, and the value is 2.303 RT. This value taken in below form. So minus n E naught cell equals to 2.303 RT over F, and this value equal to 0.059. So log Kc equals to minus n E naught cell over 0.0591. Then the new formula is log Kc equals to minus n E naught cell 0.0591. Okay, see the problem is, if E naught for copper electrode is 0.34 volt How will you calculate EMF value? Means first of all, we find E cell for copper. When the solution is contact with it 0.1 m Cu2 positive, means concentration of Cu2 positive is equal to 0.1 m. Then find E cell. So first of all, if nothing is given, then we can take a reduction potential. Reduction potential means Cu2 positive by gaining of 2 electrons and convert it to Cu solid and Cu2 positive in aqueous form. Here the reduction potential is given E naught Cu2 positive Cu is equal to plus 0.34 volt. Now we apply Nernst equation. Nernst equation is E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 over n log concerning product means Cu2 positive over Cu2 positive aqueous form. Here reduction potential means E Cu2 positive Cu equals to E naught Cu2 positive Cu minus 0.0591 and the value of n is 2. Gaining or losing of electron means 2 log base 10. Concentration of copper in solid form is taken as unity and log 1 over Cu2 positive. Value is given E. E naught. So E naught equals to E Cu2 positive Cu. And putting the value of E naught is plus 0.34 volt minus we divide this value, then 0.0295 log. Cu2 positive is 0.1. When 0 is removed, then 0 add in 1. So E Cu2 positive Cu equals to plus 0.34 minus 0.0295 and this value is log 10. We know that log 10 the value is 1. Then putting the value of log 10 is 1. Then E naught E Cu2 positive Cu equals to plus 0.34 0.0295 and this value equal to plus 0.31 volt and the answer is this. Okay, now see this equation. Write the Nernst equation and determine the EMF of the following cell at 290 Kelvin. And the cell equation is given anti-solid, converted to MD2 positive, and the value is concentration 0.001 m. Salt bridge Cu2 positive with concentration 0.001 m and slash Cu2 positive.